Saying no in English can feel uncomfortable, especially if you're worried about sounding rude, too cold, or too direct. But here's the truth. Fluent speakers don't avoid saying no, they just know how to do it with warmth, clarity, and respect. Whether you're turning down an invitation, refusing a request, or simply setting a healthy boundary, your words matter. So, in this guide, you'll learn 10 of the most polite and effective ways to say no in English, each one explained in detail, with natural, real-life examples, and a conversational tone you can easily use every day. 1. I'm afraid I can't. This is one of the most polite and commonly used ways to say no in English. The phrase, I'm afraid, doesn't mean you're scared, it's simply a softer way to deliver disappointing news. It adds a touch of regret and makes your response sound more respectful. You can use this in both casual and professional situations, especially when you want to be polite without giving too many details. Example 1, if your colleague says, "Can you stay late and help with the report?" You can reply, "I'm afraid I can't. I already have plans tonight." Example 2, a friend asks, "Do you want to join us for a quick road trip this weekend?" You say, "I'm afraid I can't. I've got a family commitment." 2. I'd love to, but... This phrase starts with a positive, which makes the rejection feel a lot more gentle. I'd love to shows appreciation and a willingness, but the word but introduces your valid reason. This is especially helpful when you're turning down an invitation but want the person to know you really do care. Example 1, a coworker asks, "Would you like to come to the office dinner on Friday?" You respond, "I'd love to, but I'm already booked that evening." Example 2, a friend invites you to help organize a local event, and you say, "I'd love to help, but I'm already managing a lot this month." 3. I really appreciate the offer, but... This one is perfect for formal or professional situations. It acknowledges the kindness of the offer, while still giving you space to decline. Use this when someone offers help, a job, a role, or any opportunity that you genuinely value, but have to turn down. Example 1. We'd love for you to lead this week's meeting. You can say, "I really appreciate the offer, but I'm not available at that time." Example 2. Someone offers you a chance to join their project, and you say, "I really appreciate the offer, but I need to focus on my current responsibilities." 4. Thanks, but I'm not interested. This phrase is direct, yet still polite. It works best when you're turning down offers, suggestions, or invitations that you genuinely don't want to accept, especially when there's no need to explain further. Tone is important here. Say it with a smile or a gentle voice, and it won't sound rude. Example 1, a salesperson says, "Can I show you our new product?" You reply, "Thanks, but I'm not interested." Example 2, someone invites you to join a workshop that doesn't appeal to you. You can say, "Thanks, but I'm not really interested in that topic." 5. I wish I could, but... This phrase is perfect when you want to express regret. I wish I could shows that you genuinely want to say yes, but you can't, for a real reason. It's heartfelt and shows empathy, which helps keep your relationship strong. Example 1. Your cousin invites you to their wedding, but it's in another country, and you say, "I wish I could, but I can't afford the trip right now." Example 2. A friend asks you to babysit, and you reply, "I wish I could, but I've already promised someone else my time." 6. Unfortunately, I have to say no. This is a formal and clear way to decline. It's useful in emails, work settings, or when you want to be polite but firm. The word unfortunately softens the refusal, while I have to say no makes it clear you've made a decision. Example 1. A colleague says, "Can you take over my shift tomorrow?" You reply, "Unfortunately, I have to say no. I have a full schedule already." Example 2. A student asks you to join their research group, and you say, "Unfortunately, I have to say no. I'm focusing on a different project." 7. Maybe another time. This is a very casual and friendly way to say no for now, while leaving the door open for the future. It's a good phrase when you don't want to hurt someone's feelings, but still don't want to commit. Example 1. Your neighbor invites you to a community barbecue, and you say, "Not today, but maybe another time." Example 2. A friend wants to go out for coffee, and you reply, "I'm a bit tired today, but maybe another time soon." 8. I'm not able to commit to that right now. This phrase is ideal for situations where time or energy is an issue. It's respectful and clear and shows that you're thinking carefully about your responsibilities. Use it when someone is asking for a long-term effort or regular time. Example, a coworker asks, "Can you join our weekly team meeting as a co-leader?" You say, "I'm not able to commit to that right now. My schedule is too full." 9. That sounds great, but I'll have to pass. This is light, friendly, and easygoing. It's perfect for social events and casual offers where you want to keep things positive while still saying no. Starting with, "That sounds great," softens the rejection, and "I'll have to pass" adds a casual, yet respectful, refusal. Example, a friend says, "We're going on a weekend camping trip. Want to come?" You reply, "That sounds great, but I'll have to pass this time." 10. It's not a good time for me. This phrase works in almost any situation and doesn't require a detailed excuse. It's simple, honest, and polite, making it a great go-to when your schedule, energy, or priorities don't align with a request. Example, your boss asks if you can take on extra tasks, and you say, "It's not a good time for me. I'm already managing several deadlines."